Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure general permissions on Windows 11. So maybe there is an ads or there is some advertise that you can see on your browser and that use your data. Windows provide or share your data or preferences or advertise profile from your system. So in order to give the not give permission, you can access Windows settings. Now you can find privacy and security. Here we go. There is a Windows permission option, and this is the general: advertising ID, local content, application launches, setting suggestion, and productivity tools. Here you can click it. By default, all the option is on. So for example, let apps show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. If you feel you don't need this, you can turn this off. Let websites show me locally relevant content by accessing my language list. You can turn this off. Let Windows improve start and search results by tracking app launches. Also, you can turn this off if you feel you don't need it. Show me suggested content in the settings app. Yes, you can try to turn this off. And show me notification in the settings app. When off, required notification are still shown. So you can turn this off if you don't need notification. And this is privacy resource. You can click it for more details. And of course, there is a link here that related support on your permission. Thank you for watching. Please be wise to turn on or off this general permission on your system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.